Let's master reporting verbs with gerunds. Hello, English learners. Today we're delving into a fascinating aspect of reported speech. We'll focus specifically on common reporting verb patterns, and under this, we're going to zoom in on subject plus reporting verb plus gerund. This pattern is key to mastering reported speech and expressing thoughts, statements, and actions reported by someone else in a grammatically correct and fluent way. Before we dive into our main topic, let's clarify what a reporting verb is. Reporting verbs are verbs that we use to report what someone else has said. Examples include say, tell, ask, advise, suggest, and many more. Different reporting verbs have different patterns following them, which can seem a bit confusing at first. But no worries, with practice, you'll get the hang of it. We can't discuss the subject plus reporting verb plus gerund pattern without understanding what a gerund is. Gerunds are verbs that function as nouns and they always end in ing. For instance, in the sentence, I love dancing, dancing is a gerund. It is derived from the verb dance and is used as a noun in this context. Now let's dive into the heart of the matter, the subject plus reporting verb plus gerund pattern. This is used when we want to report someone else's actions or words. Here's a simple example. She denies stealing the cookie. She is the subject, denies is the reporting verb, and stealing is the gerund. The subject of the sentence is claiming that she did not commit the action, in this case, stealing the cookie. Here are a few more examples. John admits making a mistake. The teacher suggested reading the book. While not all reporting verbs are followed by gerunds, some commonly are. These include admit, deny, suggest, recommend, avoid, and mind, among others. Here are some sentences using these verbs. He admitted cheating in the exam. Admit. She denies taking my book. Deny. They suggested meeting at the cafe. Suggest. I recommend visiting Rome in spring. Recommend. We should avoid disturbing him while he is studying. Avoid. Would you mind closing the door? Mind? And that's a wrap on our quick journey through the subject plus reporting verb plus gerund pattern. Remember, English is a language of patterns, and mastering these patterns will significantly enhance your fluency and understanding. Keep practicing this pattern with different reporting verbs and gerunds, and before long, you'll find it second nature. As always, keep learning, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Happy studying!